Welcome to Sing for Joy.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Mariavision's new youth music talent competition. Next up, we have a really rare, beautiful treat. We have an ensemble group. And these performers are a little bit younger than the ones we've seen so far. And they call themselves Mariavision Kids. So I'm going to welcome them. Come on out, guys. Come on. Let's give them a little support. Okay, so I've asked them which one is the spokesperson. Megan, right? So, Megan, how did you decide to sing this song?
Well, we all choose this song because we're all children of God.
So the name of the song is Children of God?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get your names. Start over here. What's your name?
Pia, Kiara, Megan, Isabella, Olivia, Sophie.
Oh, beautiful. You guys look so lovely today. All right, we're going to get the mics ready for you, and then we'll start the song, okay? All right. This is Mariavision Kids. Wonderful. Let's hear it for Mariavision Kids. They did such a good job. Good job, you guys.